Let us see now what is method overriding. So method overriding is nothing but we will be redefining the method in the superclass in the derived class. So how we can do that? Let us see an example. Let us say class person and definition welcome, which puts the string I am a person, let us say end. So now let us create one more inherited class, let us say student, inheriting all the properties of person. Now let us say end. Now A is a new student, let us say student dot new. Now A dot welcome, spelling mistake, A dot welcome. See here it is showing I am a person. So when we are calling a method welcome, it is calling from the superclass here and printing I am a person, but we don't want it. We want I am a student. So we want to override this method. So how we can do that? Let us once more create class student, let us say person, and redefine the welcome method and puts I am a student and end. Now if you create a new student and call A dot welcome, see here it is calling now I am a student. It is not going to the superclass. So what we are doing, we are overriding the method. So in the first example, when we call the A dot welcome, here it is showing I am a person. It is going to the superclass and getting it. Because we have redefined here, it is getting from the subclass itself. So what system actually does, whenever we call a function, first it will look into the subclass, so whether the method is redefined or not. If it is redefined, it will call the method. Otherwise it will go to the superclass and execute that method. So this is how we will be overriding the method. This is called method overriding. And hope you understand the method overriding. Meet you in the next video. Keep practicing.